Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a stash in Donut SMP. First, you need to find a super secret spot where no one will ever look. Think about places far off the beaten path. Next, start collecting basic materials like stone, dirt, and wood. These will be crucial for construction. Finally, sketch out a simple design for your stash to ensure you can fit everything you need inside. A good plan saves time and effort. Choosing the right location is paramount for a successful stash. Look for areas that are rarely visited, perhaps deep underground, high in the sky, or in a remote ocean biome. Use natural elements like mountains, caves, or dense forests to blend your stash seamlessly into the environment. Even simple barriers or a hidden entrance can make a huge difference in keeping your treasures safe from prying eyes. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these stash building tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like you want your stash to last forever, you want your socks to last forever too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for those amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When building, consider going either very deep or very high. A stash hundreds of blocks below the surface or above the build limit is much harder to find. Construct several layers of walls using blast-resistant blocks if possible. Incorporate hidden entrances using pistons or clever block placement. As your wealth increases, remember to expand your storage, perhaps adding more chests or even entire new rooms to accommodate everything. For advanced security, redstone is your best friend. Hidden piston doors, pressure plate traps, or even simple alarm systems can deter the most determined snoopers. Consider setting up decoy chests filled with junk items to throw off anyone who might stumble upon your general area. Periodically moving your most valuable items to a new, even more secure location, or expanding your current stash, helps ensure its longevity against persistent hunters.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.